Ready to upgrade your racing game on PC? Let's connect your Thrustmaster T80 Ferrari wheel. First, locate the USB cable attached to your Thrustmaster T80 wheel. This is how we connect it to your computer. Find an available USB port on your PC. Use a USB 2.0 or 3.0 port on the back for the best connection. Avoid using USB hubs. Gently insert the USB cable into the USB port. Make sure it's securely connected. Your computer should recognize the wheel automatically. Open Device Manager and look for Thrustmaster T80 Racing Wheel under Sound, Video and Game Controllers. If the wheel isn't recognized, install the drivers. Go to the Thrustmaster support website, search for your T80 Ferrari wheel, and download the latest drivers for your operating system. After installing the drivers, launch your racing game and go to the controller settings. Select the Thrustmaster T80 as your input device and configure the controls. You're ready to race with your Thrustmaster T80 Ferrari wheel on PC. Enjoy the ride.